everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, please make sure to push that subscribe button, join the squad, and if you want to shout out another video, all you gotta do is turn the post notifications on and be the first to comment, guys. Today I'm gonna be giving you guys an update on Abuelo the truck. What do you notice? What's the first thing you look at when you look at this little truck? Yes, me too, me too. The freaking ugly ass, freaking noodle head ass. The rear, is this called a rear bumper? I don't even know what this is called. The rear metal ugly ass piece. This is like yucky. Let me go ahead and tell you what is going on in my life right now. Abuela was running fine. I had him started. He was running fine. He was good. And then out of nowhere, guys, I drove him out again, and then it just died again. It keeps draining my battery, so this must be stopped, guys. It keeps messing up. And it was running fine, and then it messed up again. It's like, what the heck, man? What the heck? Yeah, I need to get that fixed again. I want to fix it again. Like, I thought I already fixed it, but I ordered some fender flares for Abuelo, but they're not gonna come here until like 2 weeks. They're gonna ship them in like 2 weeks or something like that. So that freaking sucks. But we're gonna get the little fenders for him soon. And today I'm gonna be removing the little rear ugly freaking metal piece right here. It honestly looks so ugly, and a lot of you guys have been telling me too that thing looks disgusting, and I'm like, I know. I don't even know why I haven't taken it off yet. Like, come on. So, gonna go ahead and take that off. And then I also got something for Nelson, which is the Z over there, my little baby over there. As you guys know, his door handle doesn't open. So I got a new one, and I just bought one because I want to see if it actually is gonna work. And if it does work, then I order the other side. Yeah. And it wasn't even that expensive. It was like 50 bucks, I think. I don't know. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that off and then fix Nelson up. And then I'm also gonna start prepping Toby again, guys. And I'm probably gonna take it to the wrap shop soon. I'm probably gonna take it to the wrap shop because they made a deal with me. They said I could wrap my car in their shop, so why not, guys? Let me go ahead and show you. Oh my gosh, try to turn it on. I don't think it's gonna turn on though, but I just want to go ahead and show you guys because who knows, what if it wants to work all of a sudden? Oh yeah, you hear that? I think I just heard the starter, but you don't hear anything else. You don't hear the water pump or the fuel pump, my bad. Usually in Toby, I have to wait for the fuel pump to turn on. This one, I think it was the starter. Can't take my key out. Oh my gosh, seriously, come on. Please ignore my shirt. This is like a raggedy shirt that I have, and I made a long time ago. I made this shirt a long time ago. You guys have never even seen it before. It's a Moncler shirt. I made this like a few years ago. Looks pretty ugly. It was one of my test shirts. This should be easy, guys. Nothing but bolts. Ew, why do I look so buff? Guys, these are not tight at all. Like, they're literally so easy to take off, but it's because I think the previous owners, they probably put this on here and like they just kind of like did it like half-assed. Because when I was trying to take that one off, that one's like freaking welded on. That one's like glued on. And it's out. The disgusting noodle head is out. Now that looks so much better. Let me go ahead and give you a better look. Ta-da! Whoa! I feel like what would look really good is just if we add a lip, a nice flat lip on like that one. That would look sick. I'm honestly digging it. I actually like how it looks. I mean, it's gonna look way better with like a lip because it's looking a little naked, if I'm being honest. But hey, it looks better without it, right? Like if you agree. And we can finally get rid of this ugly ass thing. Yeesh, look at this though. It looks sick. Very sick. All right, guys, on to the next thing. Come on, we have a lot of things to do today. Now I just have to add the damn license plate. So let me go ahead and add that really quick. Boink, 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 boink. Now that I'm done working on Abuelo for now it's time to fix Nelson up. I got this on eBay. It was 50 bucks. I'm gonna go ahead and see if it works. Let's go ahead and install this on Nelson. Yeah, guys, I'm a little nervous. I'm not gonna lie. Look at all this mechanical looking things, but I'm pretty excited to see if it does work or not. Just unscrew this. If this works out, then you guys can follow these instructions. All I did was take out these little bolts right here. Boom, boom. Be very careful though. And then after you're done with that, you kind of wiggle it out. Yeah, so all you gotta do is 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna pop it off right now. What the? Oh. Oh, this is a normal thing with the Z's, man. They always go out. I don't know. I think they made them very fragile. See, guys, this is how it is owning 3 cars, guys. It's a lot of maintenance. It's kind of like children. You gotta always look after them, make sure they're good. Obviously, having children is way harder, but you know what I mean. It's like my children. You gotta take care of them. You gotta do what you gotta do, man. So just want to see if everything fits correctly. So see how this one has a big gap? I might have to get a shorter one because it's all it goes. Our same size, the shorter, it's a size 8. So let's go get some new bolts, guys. Just what I needed. Look who came visit. Hey! Oh my gosh, another one. Fight, 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 fight. He has breathing problems or something. He's breathing weird. You hear him? He sounds like a little pig. Ooh. Oh, Ruff, ruff. So I had to go to Ace Hardware store. They literally have every bolt. I could finally install it. This is literally a 10-minute job, guys, but it turned into like an hour job because I didn't have the right freaking bolt, guys. Every simple little test, something stupid always has to come up, man. It always happens. It always happens. One sun down, abuelo's fixed. Now second sun to go. Let's see, does it work? Oh my, finally opened up my door. I'm gonna go ahead and order the other one tonight. It's actually super easy, but since I didn't have the right bolt sizes, it took me a long time. So today I'm gonna be selling my Z headlights. I actually bought these because I was gonna customize them myself, but then I just had them laying around for like a year. So I'm like, you know what? It's time for them to go. Yeah, I just put them on my Instagram for 40 bucks, whoever wants them. And so then I just hit back the first person that replied and he's gonna pick them up. We are patiently waiting here. I should probably bring out the other headlight that I have in the back. Oh, I think he's here. It's a, I'm so loud. I think it's the Z right there, if I'm not mistaken. Z gang.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Here you go.
Oh,
you
these
can see
are way
it.
better than the ones I have right now.
Really? Oh, can I see them?
Oh my god, you didn't even know.
Oh my gosh.
This is gonna be
What?
so perfect.
That's gonna look so nice. You could even like customize them.
Yeah, they look
if you
nice.
wanted to. Yeah, it's gonna look super clean. It's gonna look like completely different. What else are you gonna do to it?
I just got it like, I got it like this year in February. Just did the suspension on it, put the 370 rims on it.
Oh, nice. And then the headlights, they're gonna look nice.
Yeah,
and then
they're gonna look nice, really nice.
yeah, and all you have to do is just, well, the thing is that I got them and I was gonna customize them,
Yeah.
but I never did it. So they were just literally laying there and I was like, why do I still have these? So I was like, let me just get rid of them.
No, they look nice. They look way better than the
Yeah, when you do put them on, send me a picture. That way I can see. Oh my gosh, that didn't count. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Shape, and so walking from here to there makes me tired. So this right here was a whole marathon. If you guys made it this far, then you're mother freaking real one. I did take some photos of Abuelo just so you guys could see a better look of how clean he looks, even though I showed you guys a bunch. But let me go ahead and show you guys the pictures I took. Before I end off this video, I do want to give out a post notification shout out, and that goes out to Alex Blanco. Thank you so much for having your post notifications on. And if you want a shout out at the end of my video, all you gotta do is turn the post notifications on, be the first to comment, and hit that like button. Emoji of the day today is gonna be a confetti popper because my birthday just passed not too long ago. On October the 1st, a pig was born. Make sure to comment the emoji of the day because your girl just turned 90 years old today, and I'll be responding back with the RO or a thank you. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you very soon. Peace.